Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials with David. Today we'll be having a how-to tutorial of how to turn your Microsoft Safety Family on and off. Turning on Microsoft's Family Safety on or off is simple. First, you want to open the Microsoft Family Safety app or go to account.microsoft.com/family on your browser. Then after that, if you haven't signed in, you want to sign in. And then since I don't have any family members here, you just want to press in the Microsoft account from your family members and then turn on the toggle features, activity reporting, screen time, and content filters to on. You could also set limits for apps and games and website. To turn it off, you just want to go back to the same family member settings and simply toggle all the features to off or remove the family member entirely. Changes sync across devices so your settings take effect immediately. That's all it takes to control your family's digital safety in Microsoft.